Hey guys, Hector here. Welcome back. Got a package here from Steve K and Cedar Ridge Outdoors. So stay tuned. All right, let's dig into it. Guess I'll use my hands since it says cautious with sharp objects. So what I got here is a Cedar Ridge Outdoor top quilt. And, here's the straps. It's a 40-degree. It's 40-degree, 800. And it's the dark olive, I believe. With the down tech, and it's red on the inside. And it also has the red stitching, which is pretty cool. And I was showing you guys, it has the new pad straps here, which is pretty cool. Everything else is just like the old ones, has the clips for the pad straps. Again, pretty cool. I like the new logo tag they got there. And this one I got with the buttoned foot box. I didn't get it sewn in this time, just because it being a 40-degree. I like to be able to either open it up all the way and just lay it on me when it's too hot, or be able to open up the foot box. So yeah, it's a regular wide also, so this will go nicely with my hammock setup. And then when I do tent camping also in the hotter weathers, won't be frying in it. But yeah, another piece of awesome gear from Steve K, and of course Richard and Warren over there at Cedar Ridge Outdoor. They just do awesome work. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.